For this math by myself activity, you're going to be solving these two-digit addition problems using quick tens and ones drawings. Remember, when you do this, you're going to line up your drawings vertically and then rewrite the number sentence vertically. So here's an example. It was 29 plus 43, so they drew the drawing vertically with 29 up top. There are two tens, 9 ones, and then 29 is written up top next to it. Then 43, so they drew 4 quick tens, 3 extra ones, plus 43 underneath the 29, just like the drawing. And remember the one long line for the drawing and then the one long line underneath the vertical addition problem means equals. And then the answer gets lined up underneath. So 7, because there's 7 quick tens, are written underneath the quick 10 part. And then there's 2 extra ones, and it's drawn or written underneath the ones drawing. Same thing here. There's 2 ones, so it's underneath the ones place. And then there's 7 tens, so that's underneath the tens place. So A, 39 plus 45. You're going to draw the 39 with quick tens and extra ones. Then you're going to draw 45 underneath the 39, so your quick tens, extra ones. Then you're going to draw the long line for the equal sign and figure out, are there any new tens that I could make with my ones? If so, circle those. Then write how many ones are there, how many tens are there. Then rewrite it vertically. So 39 is going to go up top, plus 45, your long line for equals, and then your answer again. Remember, whatever your answer is here should be the same as what you got for your quick 10 drawing. You're going to repeat that, drawing quick tens and ones, and then rewriting the addition problem vertically for all of the problems on this Math by Myself activity.